So this question basically,
All right.
we're going to get, say, an input value. So this is going to be a string, and four. If four, we're going to take each individual number. So say four, we're going to get even, and we're going to get odds. And if it's odd, you're going to put an asterisk, and you're going to put a underscore for even. So for example, four is even. So I'm going to put an asterisk, which is how this comes about. The second one is 7, which is odd, so that's an asterisk. 2, that's even. 3, that's an odd, so that's an asterisk. Underscore for 0, 0. Yep, it's a pretty simple question. Now, there's a couple other rules, but I'll explain them when they get to them. But pretty much, don't want to look at that. This is an input example. Let me pause. Okay, so this is pretty much the template that you're gonna get. This, I'm not too sure if this is already gonna be on there, but I'll talk about this, and you can always add them or not, but for sure these two you'll get. So
Okay.
we have a mutex bsem initialized. We have a structure for thread number and int digit. So mutex bsem, a conditional wait term. We're going to use that for something else. This is our thread function. So here, we're going to get an input. So this could be, for example, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the input, and it's going to be stored in a string. Here, we're going to get basically the input size for however big this number is. So for this example, it's going to be 5. And then here, I'm going to just create my TIDs for my threads so that I can pass them in here. I left this here also just because it's pretty easy. I just don't want to write it again. Info arg. So here I'm initializing my structure of arrays. So I have an array of a bunch of these basically. And then here is where I have a couple issues here. So I need to initialize this. So this is the digit that each one has. So I need to basically I need to store 1 in this structure of digit. And then my thread number is going to be the order of it because I need to output. This one doesn't have it. I need to output in order of these. So, Johan, do you remember how I was saying that just because you send the thread doesn't mean that it's going to get to it first, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, we have that issue. So that's an issue, and we're also gonna use thread number to kind of keep an identifier of it for that. So, I'm gonna just write some stuff down. So arg dot this is I because it's an array, and then dot thread number is equal to I'm gonna say I. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna say I for now. There's another way of doing this which I did before, but I think this probably would work. So arg dot digit is equal to, I'm gonna say my input is this. My input is an array. You understand that part, Johan?
Yeah.
Input I, but it's an array and this is an integer. These are integers. So what I can do, I don't know why I put this here. So what I can do is my input is minus 0, character 0. Do you know what I'm doing here, Johan?
A little confusing.
You can do this minus character 0. You have to do single colons like these
Oh yeah.
to convert from integer I mean basic. This is a character here. So like this is not
Yeah.
two in character or one,
Mhm.
and this is gonna convert it to a integer, to
Oh, okay,
digit.
okay, okay.
Yeah, that's all it's doing.